Ipomoea aquatica is a semi-aquatic, tropical plant grown as a vegetable for its tender shoots and leaves. It is found throughout the tropical and subtropical regions of the world, although it is not known where it originated. This plant is known in English as water spinach, river spinach, water morning glory, water convolvulus, or by the more ambiguous names Chinese spinach, Chinese watercress, Chinese convolvulus, swamp cabbage or kangkong in Southeast Asia. Occasionally, it has also been mistakenly called kale in English, although kale is a variety of cabbage and is completely unrelated to water spinach, which is a species of morning glory. It is known as pak bung in Thai and Laotian, eng chai in Teochew Hokkien, ong choy weng kai in Cantonese, kong shin kai in Mandarin Chinese, rao muong in Vietnamese, kangkong in Tagalog, kangkun in Indonesian, Malay and Sinhalese, gazan, in Burmese, trokuan, in Khmer, kolmuzak in Assamese. Valal, in Tamil, Kalmi Saag in Hindi, Kalmi Shak Kalami Saka in Bengali, Thuthi Kora in Telugu, Kalama Saga in Odia, Hayoyo in Ghana. In Suriname it is known as Dagoblad or Dagablad. Description: Ipomoea aquatica grows in water or on moist soil. Its stems are 2 to 3 meters 7 to 10 feet or longer, rooting at the nodes, and they are hollow and can float. The leaves vary from typically sagittate, arrow-head-shaped, to lanceolate, 5 to 15 cm 2 to 6 in long and 2 to 8 cm 0.8 to 3 in broad. The flowers are trumpet-shaped, 3 to 5 cm 1 to 2 in diameter, and usually white in color with a mauve center. Propagation is either by planting cuttings of the stem shoots that will root along nodes or planting the seeds from flowers that produce seed pods. Cultivation. Ipomoea aquatica is most commonly grown in East, South and Southeast Asia. It flourishes naturally in waterways and requires little, if any, care. It is used extensively in Burmese, Thai, Lao, Cambodian, Malay, Vietnamese, Filipino, and Chinese cuisine, especially in rural or kampung village areas. The vegetable is also extremely popular in Taiwan, where it grows well. During the Japanese occupation of Singapore in World War II, the vegetable grew remarkably easily in many areas, and became a popular wartime crop. In the Philippines, a variety of kangkong is grown in canals dug during the American occupation after the Spanish-American War, while another variety growing on land is called Chinese kangkong. In non-tropical areas, it is easily grown in containers given enough water in a bright sunny location. It readily roots from cuttings. Invasiveness. Ipomoea aquatica is listed on the USDA Internet site as a Class A noxious weed, especially in the states of Florida, California, and Hawaii, where it can be observed growing in the wild. Aquatica has been extensively cultivated in Texas for over 30 years, having been originally brought there by Asian immigrants. Because no evidence indicates the plant has escaped into the wild, Texas lifted its ban on cultivation for personal use with no restrictions or requirements, noting its importance as a vegetable in many cultures, and also began permitting cultivation for commercial sales with the requirement of an exotic species permit. In Sri Lanka, it invades wetlands, where its long, floating stems form dense mats which can block the flow of water and prevent passage of boats. Culinary uses. The vegetable is a common ingredient in Southeast Asian dishes. Stir-fried water spinach is a popular vegetable dish in Southeast Asia. In Singapore, Indonesia, and Malaysia, the tender shoots along with the leaves are usually stir-fried with chili pepper, garlic, ginger, dried shrimp paste, belacan, terasi, and other spices. In Penang and Ipoh, it is cooked with cuttlefish and a sweet and spicy sauce. Also known as eng chai in the Hokkien dialect, it can also be boiled with preserved cuttlefish, then rinsed and mixed with spicy rojak paste to become ju hu eng chai. Boiled eng chai also can be served with fermented krill noodle belacan bihan and prawn mee. In Indonesian cuisine it is called kangkung. Boiled or blanched together with other vegetables it forms the ingredient of gado-gado or pasel salads in peanut sauce. Some recipes that use kangkung is pleking kangkung from Lombok, and mie kangkung kangkong noodle from Jakarta. In Thailand, where it is called pak bung Thai, pak bung, it is eaten raw, often along with green papaya salad or nam phrik, in stir-fries and in curries such as kang som. In the Philippines, where it is called kangkong, the tender shoots are cut into segments and cooked, together with the leaves, in fish and meat stews, such as sinigang. The vegetable may also be eaten alone, such as in adobong kangkong, where it is sautéed in cooking oil, onions, garlic, vinegar, soy sauce, and bouillon cube. A local appetizer called crispy kangkong has the leaves coated in a flour-based batter and fried until crisp, similar to Japanese vegetable tempura. Health effects. If harvested from contaminated areas and eaten raw, I. aquatica may transmit Fasciolopsis buski, an intestinal fluke parasite of humans and pigs, causing fasciolopsiasis. See also: List of vegetables. References. External links. Germplasm Resources Information Network, Ipomoea aquatica. Multilingual Taxonomic Information. University of Melbourne. Water spinach Nutritional information from Kasetsart University. Aquatic, wetland and invasive plant particulars and photographs. USDA Noxious Weed Regulations. Possession in USA requires permit. Species Profile Water spinach, Ipomoea aquatica, National Invasive Species Information Center, United States National Agricultural Library. Lists general information and resources for water spinach. Helminths and helminthiosis of pigs in the Mekong Delta, Vietnam, with special reference to ascariosis and Fasciolopsis buski infection. Ipomoea aquatica in West African plants, a photo guide.